Today, we are showing off the first international export from Gradeall in 2026, which is this Inclined Tyre Baler Conveyor for a customer in California, USA. These conveyors, when used with our well-proven Mark II tyre balers, drastically improve tyre baling efficiency while making the entire process less physically strenuous on the people doing the actual work. We have sent dozens of these systems out in the past 5 years to locations across the globe, where customer feedback has been extremely positive. This one is loaded on an open container for its journey ahead, and here are some pictures of how the final setup will look. To find out more about our range of tyre processing equipment, visit gradeall.com.